Hello everyone, welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your maths tutor Shruthi. I hope everyone remember our Vista's vision. That is, we are not only focusing on right to education, it is right to quality education, and our services are Vlearning, VSMS. Vlearning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And what is our website? It is www.vlearning.in. So at the same time, we'll be going live both in our website as well as our YouTube channel. And the messages which you chat in the website is all encrypted. That is, only I'll be knowing your messages. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous session? In the previous session, we have seen a beautiful chapter and it is one of the practically implemented chapter. What was that? Yes, it is exponent and power. So we have seen many things, right? So where exactly in the science concepts also we'll be using this one. That is the exponential form and also the decimal form. So how important it is to convert the number system to decimal form and the decimal number system to the normal number system, the expansion, and what do you call the base and the power, how do you read it as, everything we have learned in the previous sessions, right? If you're not, then please go back to the previous session. Hold on, but not now, okay? Now, hoping that you have learned many things, so now we'll be solving even more problems based on that. But it is not in the question and answer form, it is in the multiple choice questions. So here the answer will already be given, you have to just tick it over there. So now the very first question, the exponential form of 10,000. So I hope you know this one, right? So 10,000, how do you write this one? So how many zeros are there? That many powers, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many zero? It is 4 0. So power is over 4. So I hope you remember it is the parts. So what are the parts? It is the base and the power. Towards your right hand side, upper portion you will be writing. So now 10 to the power 4. So which option? It is option B over there. The next, second question, the exponential form of 81. So 81, so what exactly is the exponential form? So exponential means it need not be in the 10 rise to itself. So it can be anything, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 2 cube, 3 cube. I hope you remember. If it is power 2, we don't read it as 2 raised to the power 2. In short, we'll be reading it as 2 squared. So now it is not only 10 to the power something, that is only the exponential form. It can be anything. So now they are asking for 81. So what exactly is the exponential form of 81? So in the normal classes, how did we do? It is 81. So it is 3. 3 how many is it from 2? 2 table it won't go. Why? Because the last number has to be even number. So now what exactly is the 3 table divisible? So is it 3? How many is 3 ones are 3? 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 9 is higher. So go back. 3 twos are 6. So 2 is the remainder. This becomes 21. So it is 3 sevens are 21. So again 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are, again it is 3 ones. So you have to go on dividing that until you get the divisible as normal number 1. So now how many powers? So how many number of times it is repeated, that many power you have to write. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 times it is repeated. So what you will be writing? It is 3 raised to the power 4. So it is nothing but option A over there. So this is how we have done, right? I hope you remember all this. So 2 types were there. So 81 and something will also be there. Now the value of minus 1 to the power 3. So minus 1 to the power 3, how do you read this one? So yes, it is minus 2 to the power 3. But the thing is, you have to know whether it is even number or odd number power. Why? Because here minus symbol is there. That is very important. No doubt you will be writing it as minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Why? Because 3 times you have to expand. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is the known thing. But what is the final thing? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Instead of that, we have to remember one thing. If it is even power, it is positive. If it is odd number, it is negative. So it is even number or odd number? 3. Well, it is odd number. So your answer value will also be negative. So which is option? Yes, it is option B. So to confuse you, they have given as option A. Make sure you don't do this mistake, right? Now, the fourth question. What is the base in 8 square? So many students, as soon as see this type of question, okay, they try to do 8 square. 8 square is 64. No, never do that. Read the question correctly. What is the base? So base means the bottom portion. So what exactly is the base over here? It is 8. I hope your guess is correct, right? Now, the fifth question. -1 even number. So even number, just now we have discussed, right? So if the power is even number, what exactly is the value? So if you go on multiplying 1, 1, 1, 1, yes, obviously the final answer will also be 1, right? Now, that doesn't matter, but the sign is there, yes, negative, but even number. If it is even number, it is positive. So just remember EP. And negative, if it is negative, it is odd number. So NOEP, just remember this one. So now, if it is E, yes, it is positive. So which is the one? It is option B over there. Now the next one, -1 to the power odd number. If any odd number is there, what is the next thing? Yes, odd number means negative sign. So negative sign means option A. So yes, it is 1. If you multiply also, again you will be getting 1 itself. So always make sure you see the odd number as well as the inside one also. Now 0 into 10 to the power of 4. So many students, while correcting papers, we get this one. As soon as they see some exponential form, they try to multiply. No, along with that, whatever the digits is there, please see that also. So here 0 is there. If you multiply any number with 0, you will be getting back 0 itself. So obviously your answer is option A over there. Next, if 2 cube into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power question mark. So here question mark is there, then question mark is equal to. So if 2 cube, yes, it is 8 plus, first important thing, are they asking the value? No. So whatever you are doing, 2 cube is 8, that is not necessary. So now 3 plus 4. So why I am doing this? Yes, we know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we know all this one, right? So and also a to the power m, if it is divided by a to the power n, then it is a to the power m minus n. So we have learnt all this one. So if it is a, b, so if this also carries m, this also carries m. So what shall we do? A, b the whole to the power m we can write. So I am just trying to recall the formula over there. So next, if it is, there are n number of things, right? A to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So still there are n number of things. So now 2 cube into 2 to the power 4. So which is the formula? Yes, the very first formula. In place of m I have 3, in place of n I have 4. So what I have to do with the power? M plus n. So m plus n means 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that gives me 7, right? So what exactly is the question mark? So that is equal to 7. So which is option D over there. The next one, 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 cube. So 2 cube. So how do you read this one? Is it related to the second one? Yes. So this is related to the second one. So in place of m, what do I have? In place of m I have 7. In place of n I have 3 over there, right? So now how do you do that? It is m minus n. So it is 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3, that gives me 4. So which is the option? Yes, it is option A. Now the next one, the decimal form, which we have discussed in the previous session, right? So 1353000 in the standard form. So what exactly is the standard form? I hope you remember this one, the first digit. So after the first digit, you have to put the decimal over there. So next, whatever the number value is there, yes, you have to write. If it is continued with the 0, you can neglect that. So but if it is, suppose if it is having 1, 2, 3, anything value, you have to write the entire thing. So this is what the very first rule, that is the point, putting the point. Now, you have to write this in the standard form. There are n number of options being given. But here, first check whether it is having any decimal in the question. So, is there any decimal? No decimal. So, what I have to do? I have to move from the last, right? So, now do along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, total how many place value? It is 1.353. Later you can neglect that, into 10 to the power 9, right? So which is the option? Yes, it is option A. So now what have we learned? So we have learned many things, right, in this session. So we have learned the formulas, and we have learned how to find the exponential form, and there is one important thing, right? Expansion form also is there. That is also one important thing. If suppose the expansion has been given, you have to convert that to the number system. That type questions also you might get. We have discussed in the previous session also, right? And this type numbers into something will be there, and the whole to the power also. If suppose minus 2, the whole to the power 3, again the whole to the power 2. So what will you do? So yes, minus 2 the whole to the power. We know this answer, right? So now it is nothing but minus 8 the whole to the power 2. That type also you can do. That is, we know the inner one answer. The outer one I am not touching that. Or the other way, so we know this one, right? So if it is AM and AN, so what do we do? It is AMN. So this also we know. You can multiply the power also. 3 2s are 6. So both the answers will be same. You can have a cross check. So now this type, all the formulas are very, very important for your higher grades also, especially for the 10. It is highly important. So now, I hope the session was, yes, we have covered almost everything, right? Yes, I hope the session was very interesting. If so, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon over there to get the live schedule of our updates. And you can catch us in our Facebook page as well as on Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below over there. Now, what is in the next session? So that is very, very interesting. In the next session, we'll be upcoming with a new beautiful chapter. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.